Welcome to Doctors of the Past. This video will deal with the importance of plants in Roman homes. Stay with us, subscribe, and thank you very much for your time. Roman architecture, both urban and rural, was deeply connected to nature. The ornamental gardens in large villas were called Locus Amoenus, while in the domus, city houses, small gardens could be located in the atrium, and an enclosed space behind the dwelling was known as a hortus. This cultivation area evolved from a simple self-sufficiency plot into an integrated decorative garden space. The choice of plants depended on the particular tastes and specific trends of each era. However, through the indirect testimony of gardens depicted in frescoes, we know that the Romans had a clear preference for green-leafed plants, relegating flowers to a secondary role. Although controlling the growth of certain plants or using their resemblance to architectural forms were leveraged to beautify Roman urban and rural dwellings, the most spectacular examples are found in the large open spaces of rural villas. Here, trees were planted to look like columns, and hallways were created with hedges that acted as walls. Some areas were even roofed using wooden supports for climbing plants like vines, creepers, silax, or ivy. Terraces were also decorated with plants to create hanging gardens, which provided shade from the summer sun. To achieve a greater integration of vegetation with the human-made space, the Romans adopted the opus topiarium, or Ars Topiaria, from the Greeks. This art consisted of pruning certain shrubby plants like boxwood, cypress, oak, laurel, or myrtle into specific shapes, which were usually geometric forms, but they could also be shaped into animals, people, vases, obelisks, or letters on the ground. The person responsible for creating such works of art was not considered just any gardener, but a landscape specialist, a plant sculptor. That's our dose for today. If you enjoyed it, look for more tablets on our channel. Next week, we'll talk about Greek colonization.